You're gonna find Mama and Miguel? Okay, go find them. No, they're down here. They're down here somewhere. She's looking under the blankets. Where are they? Antonio.
Well, look in here.
Antonio, don't tell her where to look. Just let her look. That was funny, eh? Hey, go find Mama and Miguel.
He's underneath the gun, right?
This is just fun.
Okay, go find Mama. Mama has chocolate.
Whoever finds her gets me a toy.
Mom, get a tree. Love you all.
Go find Mama.
And
Let me go.
Here, Bella. Bella, go put this pillow on the couch over there. Go put it on the couch. The other couch. Other couch. Go put it on the couch.
This here?
Yeah, put it there.
now you have to find Miguel.
Hey,
Okay, go find Miguel. Go find Miguel. Miguel
Here.
has candy.
can you go put these shoes away? Bella?
Yeah.
Bella? No, he's not there. Bella, go put these shoes away beside the door.
Yeah, you gotta find Miguel. I don't know where he is.
By the door. Put those away by the door, please. Come on. She heard him. She heard you. Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing?
Gabe,
You look funny there.
you guys